Hello friends, today I'm here with a new opening called Birds Opening. Birds Opening was adopted by the English master Henry Bird in 1873, who popularized this opening in the late 19th century. So friends, take a seat and enjoy this video. So white plays f4, then black respond with d5, b3, knight to f6, then e3, then c pawn to c5, then bishop b5 check, knight c6, then d4. White should play knight to f3 or bishop to b2. Instead of playing these two moves, he played d4, then queen to a5 check, then there is one move, this or this. So if he gives us this one, we can take this one. So this bird's opening is very nice opening, so try this opening with your friends. So friends, I hope you like this video. Do not forget to click on that subscribe button, and thank you for watching this video.